how to find default message timer settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find default message timer on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp, and here you will find these three points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account. Click on it and then just click privacy, and now just scroll down until you find the default message timer, this one here. And now just here we can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.